Right guys, this is my holiday car. It's a 2008 BMW 3 Series convertible and it's been residing in Barbados for the last 5 years and I've been enjoying it. This is the same car after it got into an accident. We bought it back from the insurance company and it's been abandoned outside my grandma's house for 2 years. But we're gonna change that. I just got a flight and I made my way to Barbados and I'm gonna be rebuilding my holiday car. Good morning people, welcome back to day 2. We are making some amazing progress on the holiday build, but you're joining me as I'm about to grab all the bits. My guy Dario's outside to pick me up, or I'm picking him up. I'm gonna get him to park his car. We're gonna be driving the Mercedes today. I've got a few stops I need to make. I've been here for 1 full day so far and I haven't got any credit, any data, and I just feel too disconnected. I can't post, I can't do anything, so I need to go to the local phone shop, Digicel. I need to get a SIM card, I need to get some data. Then we're going to continue get some food, and then we'll make our way down to the south coast again, continue some work on the car. So let's go.
We should have gave Mom what it is.
Yeah. Bring it to
Hello.
So guys, the car's outside, but have a look at all of these cars. It's a double-sided garage. Look at this old thing, man, but over here, old means nothing. They literally tear everything down and rebuild it complete, and apparently this is going to be rebuilt to a very high standard, apparently. Luxury. Have a look at these, what I came to show you. This is my replacement bumper from the breaker car. I've got a set of wheels from the breaker car, and as you can see, I put some brand new tires on them before I ship them over. Also, check this out, all of these boxes are mine. Like I said, everything's completely packaged up in the box here. Everything's inside there, all the plastic liners, wheel arch liners, ton of stuff. I had a look, but we've got a big problem. Check this out. So everything that I've planned for has come, but there's the things that you don't plan for that you didn't know. So this flange that I showed you, I'll show you what it looks like on the screen. I'll put a picture up. There's this flange that goes here, and that's what takes all the coolant into the top of the engine block. And that was broken. I didn't know it was broken, so I didn't send it. I can pick it up in London like that. Over here, this is a foreign import. They don't stock BMW parts anywhere. There's no breakers. So these are the kind of challenges that I'm facing. So yeah, if I can't get that, then I can't reassemble this. If I can't reassemble this, I can't finish the holiday build before I leave. So yeah. Yeah, so we got to move some cars. We're now at the front of the garage, move it around to the back, both cars. Now have a look, we had a little issue with the car. Look, it's smoking because it's burning oil. On day 2 guys, it's not going to plan. I'll explain that in a second, but first let me just move these cars, man. What happened? Smoke. Alright guys, so like I said earlier, we can't find this part here. The entire build depends on this part because you can't complete it without that. But anyway, for now, what we'll go ahead and do is strip away all of the broken wires. I need to expose all the metal. So this needs to be straightened, here needs to be straightened, pulled. Everything there needs to be sorted out. So we're going to be sorting out this area, and to do that we need to clear away all of these plastics. So I've got Dario with me again, and this is what we're going to get started. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we've been working for 2 hours. It's so hot. It's actually so hot, so we had to go get some deputies. You've got Sheriff number 1, Sheriff number 2, and their deputies. Cheers. That's the way, bro. Guys, later on we're going to the beach. A couple more deputies. I might take the camera, I might show it to you, I don't know. But now I've got you. We cleared away all the stuff there. Everything there is clear. Everything there is clear. Took all of that down. And then now I'm gonna leave it for Jack to come and just cut there, do his thing. And then once that's done, we're gonna try to reassemble some of it. But like I said, we're still waiting for that part. The update on that part is, I've checked 3 different places, pals, here in Barbados. They don't have it. No one's got it. It's a specific part for this specific car, and it's a BMW, foreign import. I've just come off the phone with Akil back in London. Akil can order it from BMW and potentially try to ship it over to me. Can you see the hassle that's gonna come? And I knew it was gonna happen, but that's part of the adventure, man. But for now, cheers to the deputy. Guys, we've got the bonnet on. The car's actually started to look like a car again, but we need to sort out this bit, and I can't do that, so we have to wait for Jack. But what I want to do is I want to nip to the hardware store, and I'm going to see, I've been planning something, see if I can rig something up, and I'll show it to you. If it works, I'll show it to you. If it doesn't work, then you won't see any of this. So if you're seeing this, that means it works. But I'm going to head to the hardware store now, grab some materials, and see what we can rig up. Wow. We're seeing 114 bloody hell. Guys, crazy. Crazy. Mad. That's the third place we stopped off trying to get silicone pipe to repair these bits for that engine flange. I'm trying to do a little something because we're running out of time. I don't want to run out of time, put it that way. So me and Darryl have been driving around all afternoon. I got some gloves and I got some screwdrivers because my camera broke. Bloody hell. Since I've been over here, everything keeps breaking. And when you're not kind of like at home where you're accustomed to just popping into a shop and getting stuff fixed or picking up something from the dealership, it just gets 10 times more difficult. But I always say, man, where there's a will, there's a way. We keep it moving. We're gonna sort something out. So I bought these screwdrivers, gonna go home and try to fix my camera. I got some gloves, and then we're gonna continue trying to find some silicone piping. I'm looking for a special silicone piping with a T-junction, and we're gonna do a little something. If it works, it works. If not, last case scenario, I'm gonna get Akil to order that part for me and expedite the shipping over from London over here. But yeah, and that blue Honda Type R EP3 sounds crazy. We're going to a car show, so in the next episode, guys, stay tuned. We're going to a car show. Today's Thursday 17th. On Saturday we're going to a car show at the world famous Bushy Park. It's a racetrack here in Barbados. We're going to be there. We're going to be filming everything. We're going to be meeting up with people. And that guy, he saw the car, he saw the camera, we saw the car, we had a little chat. He subscribed to the channel, and he's going to be doing a drag race in his car. I think it's stage 3, that one, or something like that. I don't know, but we'll see on Saturday. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But for now, let's crack on. So guys, we ended up going to a fifth hardware store. We didn't find anything that we needed. So we're gonna have to end this episode here. It's getting a little bit sticky here. If I can't get that flange fixed, I can't continue with the build, and all of this will be for nothing. What I've ended up doing is I've called Akil back in London. I've told him to order it from BMW. 50 quid is coming tomorrow, Friday. Once it comes tomorrow, I've got a mate, his friend, my mate's friend is coming down from London to Barbados on Saturday. So if I can make all of these kind of dominoes join up and all of these kind of joints, if everything kind of works favourably, fingers crossed, I can have the part that I needed from London to Barbados by Saturday, which is 48 hours from here. So over the next 48 hours, I'm going to be continuing to work on the blue BMW. I'm going to a car show. We're going to be seeing some fellow subscribers there, fellow car enthusiasts. We're going to be getting into all sorts. I hope you stick around for that. But this is where we're going to end this episode. So like I always say, keep it moving. And I'm not going to see you in the next one. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. We out.